Welcome back.
What are we doing today?
Lights, all the lights, rear and back. Rear is back. Rear and front. And the wiring harness.
And we'll get it down to bare shell at that point.
She'll be naked. I'm gonna unscrew these. Phillips screw. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. That's okay, because it didn't even need to be screwed in. That was easy. There we go. She's a bit stuck on there. Okay, you don't have to show off like that. Now try that one. Told you. Oh.
Saved it.
I have purse.
I'm gonna drill out these signal lights. There's just a couple of rivets. There it is. All right. I think it's a small Phillips.
That's what I just got. the BB.
Yeah.
It's stripped, huh?
Nope. It's just a small Phillips. You need a straight head too for the other thing, or?
I already got that one out.
Okay. There might be a third down here.
You think I'd label this one left too? Oh, good catch. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Little tabbies broke off on that. We'll have to get new headlights, which we probably would have enough anyways.
Yeah, it's probably really old. Okay, I'm gonna get these unplugged. It's the longer side. How did you do that? Oh, I got it.
Okay.
This ground is already out. Oh, no, it's not. It's just that one. Oh, I gotta pull that out too. Oops. Bam. And the other side is already done too. Bam. And I gotta take this ground out. Whatever. Anyway, show off. Bam.
All right, so the headlight harness, it looks like they build it in the car. So we're just gonna cut it and then we'll splice it when we put it all back together. Just cut this little grommet thing. And we're probably gonna be changing out these connectors anyways. All right. Only thing left on in the front is the washer nozzles. Let's see what holds those in. And it looks like it's a couple of clips, so I'm gonna go get a pair of pliers. There it is.
Got it. Strong clips. Hard plastic.
Okay, here. Should have started with that one. Right, these fresh air vents, there's a little spring that holds them to the bracket. I'll put that back on so we don't lose that. there's the little door. Pressure your doors.
Okay, this is what the front's looking like. Bare. Got it all cleared out. We're doing this next.
We're doing this wiring next.
Now we're doing the wiring.
Fresh air bracket.
We're keeping the harness on. Cause
At least for now.
For now, until we get underneath. Cause it goes all the way to the back of the engine. So this big black wire back here, that's staying.
E-brake lever. Little spring, a little clip. Alright, this is going to be for the e-brake. See if we can get the shifter out. All the bolts seem to be coming pretty good, although I probably just jinxed myself. A couple of clips for the e-brake and for the brake, for the gas pedal. E-brake, and I'm gonna get that off. There we go, we got it. And that's the e-brake lever. Okay, gas pedal. And the clutch pedal, I don't think we're going to be able to get out, but looks pretty rusty. And what's left of the gas pedal.
Nice gas pedal, George.
I think I need power. Let's try this again. I don't know what Volkswagen was against connectors for, but there's no connector. So we're gonna get this apart somehow. There we go. Okay, there's one broken tail light. We'll get the rest of that harness once we get into the engine bay. I think I'm going to rewire the entire bus.
It'd probably be easier that way.
There we go.
Yeah. 211 again. 211.
211?
Yeah. Meant to be, man.
That's the lighting harness for the back of the car. It goes all the way up to the front. We're definitely going to be changing that out. All right, top side is done, completely taken apart.
Yep.
And now we got to go into the bottom and get the rest of the wiring harness, heater controls, brake pedal, clutch pedal, steering box, front end, engine, transmission. So we'll see where we go next for next week.
We have no
All right.
idea.
No idea.
Right.